When it comes to innovation in water purifiers, Livpure has always been at the forefront to give 100% Sampurna Suraksha against waterborne diseases. And now, we've pushed the boundaries of innovation and technology again to create the next-gen water purifiers that are not just intelligent but also convenient. Presenting Platino Copper, the most stylish and aesthetically appealing RO water purifier in the category that has intelligent and smart features like plug-and-play RO for a hassle-free installation of the purifier, India's only RO with leakage sensor, which shoots off an alert when there is a leakage in the purifier and shuts it off. Interactive feather touch interface, a stylish and touch-sensitive panel which dispenses water smoothly and hygienically. Customized water dispensing that empowers the user to customize water dispensing options for both glass and bottle. Improved flow rate of 2.4 liters per minute. Auto flush helps flush out stale water as and when required to ensure fresh water at all times. This extends the life of the filters. Goodness of copper through Copper 29 cartridge, which infuses the goodness of natural copper into the water. Come on, India, live pure.